I'll guide you through tracking a lost or stolen iPhone without needing a second Apple device or getting locked out by two-factor authentication. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, go to iCloud.com/find on any web browser to access Apple's global tracking network without needing a trusted device for a login code. Sign in with your Apple ID and select your missing iPhone from the All Devices list to see its current or last known location on the map. Tap Mark as Lost immediately to lock your screen with a passcode and display a custom phone number so a good Samaritan can contact you. Select Play Sound if the map shows the phone is nearby, which forces the device to ring at maximum volume even if it was set to silent. If the phone appears to be moving, use the Find My Network's Power Reserve feature to track the device for up to 24 hours, even if the battery has died or the thief has powered it off. If you have stolen device protection enabled, check for the security delay notification, which may require a 1-hour wait before you can change critical account settings in an unfamiliar location. Take a screenshot of the location and your phone's IMEI or serial number to provide local law enforcement with the exact data they need for a police report. Choose Erase this device only as a final resort to wipe your personal data, but keep in mind that this will permanently disable your ability to track the phone on the map. Avoid removing the device from your Apple account after erasing it to ensure activation lock remains active, making the phone useless and unsellable for the thief. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.